Hello friends, I have received many requests from my viewer to make video tutorial on Excel file import in MySQL Database. So today I am going to give you this tutorial on how to read Excel file and insert data into MySQL Database using PHP. I have used a PHP library PHP Excel. It's a very simple and easy to understand library to get Excel data in your MySQL Database. First of all, count your sheets in Excel file, then get rows of each sheet and print rows of each column in HTML table and insert it in database. Hello friends, this is my Excel sheet with data. Now I want to export this data into MySQL table. First I have to download PHP Excel class from this site. After download this class, first unzip file and copy PHP Excel folder into your working folder. I have one table with name TBL Excel with 3 columns, which is first column is Excel id, second is Excel name and last is Excel email. Now I make one PHP page named index.php. After making page, first I have make database connection. After making database connection, I include PHP Excel class by using include function. Now I define one HTML variable for storing HTML table data for display purpose on browser. Now I define one object of PHP Excel class for access all the methods of this class. By load method we can load the content of Excel sheet into PHP code. In load method I define path with Excel file name. With this method we can access data of Excel sheet. Now I use for each loop to fetch all content of Excel sheet. Get worksheet iterator method is used to list all data of Excel sheet and we can access by worksheet variable. Now friends, I use get highest row function for getting highest row number of Excel sheet. Now friends, I use for loop to fetch each row data. In this loop, first I define table row and append into HTML variable by using concatenation operator. Now I access first column, which is name by get cell by column and row function, in which first parameter is column number and second is row number. By get value function we can get value of particular column. Now I access second column, which is email by get cell by column and row function, in which first parameter is column number and second is row number. By get value function we can get value of particular column. Now friends, I write insert query for insert data into table. After making SQL query, now I execute this query by using MySQL query function. Now I define table column for name and append into HTML variable. Now friends, I define second table column for display email value and append into HTML variable. And lastly I close table row and append into HTML variable. Now I close for loop and for each loop and close table and append into HTML variable. Now I use echo statement for display HTML variable on the user browser. Now I print database inserted message on the user browser. Now friends, I see output. Finally, Excel sheet data are successfully exported into MySQL database. Thank you for watching this video. You can also subscribe my YouTube channel, or you can also like my Facebook page, or you can also follow me on Twitter.